Hello, welcome to another episode of DIY Web Strategy Labs. And in today's lab, we're going to take our domain name, email, and get with the emails that we get from our domain name email, we're going to send those emails to our Gmail account so that they automatically come from our Gmail account. And I'm going to also show you how to send emails from your Gmail account with your domain name email address. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. If you have A2 hosting or any hosting service, what I need you to do is log into your hosting service and go to your cPanel. Okay, however you get to your cPanel, choose to get there through that preferred method. But I'm going to go to my cPanel now. I'm already logged in. And then I'm going to go directly to my email accounts section. So there's a link there that says email accounts. I think pretty much everybody should have that option. If you have a full hosting service or shared hosting service, you should be able to have that option. So I already have the email account that I created for this domain, and I want to create a new one. So let's create one. We're just going to create one for a test. And we're going to, because I'm going to delete this like basically right afterwards. But I'm going to make this like a really simple, well, actually, I probably won't be able to make this simple at all. But let's generate something. Copy that. And then create. And I'm not going to save these because I'm not going to keep it. But I'm going to paste this on something so that I don't lose it. I don't want to lose it. Now that I had that pasted somewhere, I'm going to go ahead and go to my settings. I believe this is the correct. Yeah, so I'm going to go to my settings and go to my accounts. And I already have my email set up for my domain, but I'm going to add another one. And my name is going to be Lauren Shaw as usual, but I'm going to set up the new email address, test@diywebstrategy.com. Next step. All right, now I'm going to need the password again, but in this case, we're going to put in the email address. So it's just your email address, test@DIYWebStrategy. And for you guys, it'll be your email address and not mine. Okay, mail. And if you need like extra help with this, like don't just, like you could just go here to connect devices and then use this stuff here. So instead, just take the username, copy that, and paste it. Incoming, outgoing, yada, 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 Control C. So this is going to be, we're doing outgoing right now, but they're both the same, so it doesn't really matter. And let's go back here, enter that, make sure it's 465, and then put the SMTP server there. And I already put in the password, add account. Oh, it didn't work. Let's put it in again. Copy that username. Make sure you don't have any spaces or anything in there. You don't want to have any spaces. Let me make sure I copy that password, paste it. Did I not put, I probably didn't put the password in and I thought I did. Yeah. So there we go. All right, so I got the password in there now. I'm gonna go back on this page to here and go to check email. I don't have to check the email, but I'm going to anyway because it probably is already here. Let's see. No, it didn't. No, that's for info. And it hasn't shown up yet. So but it's already here, so we can copy this, Control C, and paste this in here, and then we're all done. Verified. All right, so let's go back to the email list. See all settings, accounts. We have the test DIYWebStrategy.com email in there, and now we're gonna add another one because we have the one here for POP3, so that's gonna actually allow us to be able to send emails as test at DIYWebStrategy.com. So you'll be able to send your emails from your email account as this account name. Let's go back here. Go back to connect devices. Just copy and paste this stuff in now because it's just tedious. Username. And now remember, see, this is incoming, so POP server. This will be the POP server, so the port is 995. You switch that to 995, and then get your password. Put in your password. Leave a copy. I always leave a copy of the message on the server. I use secure connection all the time. Label my incoming messages. I don't really care about archiving incoming messages. Doesn't really matter for me. But let's add the account. It should go through. And that's it. And basically, I'm going to send an email to this account. Test at DIY Web Strategy. See, it comes a little late. Now, your emails from here will show up like instantly, while your Gmail emails will come in. There will be a slight delay, like maybe a minute or two. So if you're expecting the email to come right away, sometimes it may be a little slow. So you'll just need to actually go straight to your your actual account that your email is at, your domain email account. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see. I think let's send the email real quick. Let's send the test email. Okay. Now I'm gonna send this, and hopefully it goes like really quickly, because this would be a terrible demonstration. Yeah, it's always gonna send these. There it is. Testing this email. This is for today's video. There you go. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found some value in it. If you did find some value in it, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace.